It's about 8:58 p.m. I just installed a new rotor and I put the new brake pad on my old brake pad from 2014. I took it off, put some grease there, silicone grease, put the spring clip back, and then put some grease at the bottom and the grease on the top. The guide pin, I didn't do anything, so that's pretty much it. I'm gonna use a brake clean to clean the surface, and I pushed out the piston on the brake caliper. And then what I did is I removed the brake fluid container cap, so I can push out the piston on the brake caliper. And then I'm gonna clean it, clean the disc, and then just install the caliper back and bolt everything back in. Okay, keep going.